Mr. Badrun, just give me a reason about why do people nowadays they afraid of to learn English. They have a reason because why they afraid cannot speak English very totally well because they thought English difficult. What do you think about that?
People who don't want to learn English because they are afraid of not being fluent in English, etc., is because of their desire. Actually, people who love English and have the motivation inside of themselves, they will struggle to learn English by ways of doing anything like probably doing English as their hobby. For example, if they love playing games, they will play games in English. If they love to listen to music, so they will listen music in English too. And if they love Indonesian music, no problem. They can still listen to Indonesian music but translate it to English. So they will learn English as well by that way. So a lot of things you can do if you want to be fluent in English, and you don't even need to